Hey y'all, I'm in the kitchen today and I'm going to be pickling carrots. It's a very simple process and it's a very simple brine, so let's get started. The first thing you want to do is wash and peel your carrots. Now that I've washed and peeled them, I'm going to chop them up. Take off these uglier ends, although it probably doesn't matter. Because I don't want these to just turn to mush, I'm chopping them a little thicker. Set these aside in a bowl. You can also cut them into spears if you want. You don't have to do them like this. Alright, so next we're going to make our brine. I am going to do more carrots than that, just not today. Just wanted to show y'all today. This is a 50-50 vinegar brine, so I'm going to do 2 cups of water. And 2 cups of vinegar. 1, 2. Alright, so next, going to do a tablespoon of garlic, just using minced garlic. You can put this directly into the jars if you want. It's up to you. Do a tablespoon of kosher salt. A teaspoon of dill weed. And a tablespoon of red pepper flakes. Red pepper. You can do more if you like yours spicier. So I am going to add a little bit more. But you should, I mean, I guess you could even omit the red pepper flakes if you're not into spicy. But then it wouldn't be spicy preserved pickles, and that's the point of my recipe. So it's up to you. I'm going to heat this up to boiling. I have already prepared some jars and lids. And for those of you that don't know, I do that by boiling them in hot water. Now I'm going to take the prepared carrots and put them in my jars. Whoop. I'm just dropping carrots all over the place today. That's what I get for being in a hurry. All right. See if I can fit. All right, they all fit in the 2 half-pint jars. I already know I'm going to have brine left over, and I'll be using it this weekend when I do some more carrots. Here's my brine. Do have it on the stove, but it's not boiling yet, so I'm going to wait just a little bit longer. Once it starts boiling and all of the salt has dissolved, then we'll be ready to put our brine in with our carrots. All right, the brine is ready, so we're going to get that in with our carrots. And just pour, pouring it in there. If you get too much in there, you can take it out with a spoon. I got too much in them. I'll leave about a 1/2 inch head space. All right, now we're going to get our rims all cleaned off because I made a huge mess. You can wipe the whole thing off if you want, or it'll get rinsed off in the water bath, but this rim is very important. All right, now we're going to put our lids on and our rings finger tight. Then I'm going to put these in the water bath canner for 10 minutes. Let's see. All right, water bath canner. Here they are. Once it starts to boil, I'll set my timer for 10 minutes. All right, they are done. We'll be eating these on our salads, and I like to use the brine as my salad dressing. Out of that 1 bag of carrots, I got 2.5 pints. If you grew your own carrots this year because you weren't in a horrible drought, you could make a whole lot more. And that's all it takes. Thank you guys for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe.